tearing apart the old boat chair to Frankenstein it to the new boat chair. Point of no return.
Oh, fuck, that's hot. My hands are shaking. Oh, why do I do this to myself?
Actually more swearing, but you get the gist.
Pretty, but it works. That is just basically on there. So that piece is attached to the metal frame, so it is not going to come off. So I'm just gonna, now my next step is to put a cover piece on from here to here. I don't want any sharp edges tearing the nice fabric. The best way to get it on. You can see the fabric's kind of loose, so I'm hoping I can just stretch it for it. It's getting heavy. Don't lift it. What I want it is to be right. It lines up with this right here. I'm like, don't worry, you won't see the duct tape. You might see the duct tape. Actually, what I'll do is I have some leftover umbrella. So what I might do is sew a patch. I can take this thing off too, and like this, like none of this is functional. So I can definitely sew something that will attach probably just from here to the piece down here. What I'm going to do next is, before I make any more decisions, I'm going to bring it back out, put it on the boat again and make sure it all fits. And I have to take this thing off. And it is so on there right now that all my attempts at this far have failed. So I might need to call in big guns. I don't need it. Cool.
Next, trying out seat number 4 on the Reboot.